All the best in life for free, so why not me? So why not me? Never did I have to ask.
We are back. Okay, so it's been a hot minute since I have uploaded a video, and yes, and today is gonna be a very special video. It is a collab with Mr. Rxlphyy. We will see him. We're going to like a little skate park, not like the skateboards, like it's called Skateland. It's like only, yeah, anyways, you know, like the little, it's hard to explain, but I will show you once we get there. But we are getting ready. It starts at 7:30. It is 3:19 right now. So yes, we're gonna get ready. How have y'all been? It's been a hot minute. Gonna put on primer. No, it's like plain. It's the Professional and the Optical Illusion primer. Urban Decay. It's a pore perfecting. I only put the pore perfecting on my T-zone, and I put the mattifying. I was messing around. I was swatching. Okay, yeah. Or just put this right there. Oh, where this? Okay. We're just gonna put a little bit on our forehead as well, so we don't have like break a sweat, which I'm sure we are. Like, I'm going on vacation and I'm trying not to get bruised on my knees, which I'm sure I am, which I'm gonna try very carefully and very professionally not fall while skating. You know, like the little ice skates, it's kind of like that without ice. It's like on land. I sound very stupid right now. Okay, and we're just gonna take literally that much. We're just gonna and some on our nose. Okay, so I will get back to you once I am done with my brows. I'm gonna use my one use, like I said in other previous videos, for a special vacation. Okay, I'm back, and I don't really know how I feel about them. They're okay. They will do. I forgot how this felt. It didn't feel new. I mean, I know how. I don't know what I'm saying. Just ignore me. Okay, so we're gonna prime my lids, and I have another surprise for you. I already cut out my eyebrows with the Makeup Revolution Cut and Define Concealer in the shade C2, which basically means concealer 2. That's what, like, yeah. Now I'm priming my lids with the MAC Paint Pot in shade Painterly. So I have a little story for you. Okay, so I had just came from a doctor's appointment. And my mom said, let's go to Sephora. I need to get a face wash. And I was like, okay. And she was like, and so we were driving. And so I was like, wait, we're not going. That Sephora's over there. We were going to Ulta. So I was like, sis, what? So I went there and I had to use the restroom. So I went to go use the restroom. And so I had just came out. And she was like, are you ready to go? And I was like, I'm never ready. And she was like, let's go. Where are you? And I was like, I am here in front of you. And she was like, okay, let's go. So we were in the car, and then she was like, can you put this back there, like the back? And I was like, sure. She was like, you're not gonna look at what I got? And I was like, no, yeah, I don't need to. You said you're gonna get your face wash. So I opened it. I was like, You're kidding. Got me the Alyssa Edwards Anastasia palette, and I am so happy. So that's the palette we're going to be using today. Let's get started. I don't really know what I'm gonna do with the eye look right now because I have no idea what I'm doing. But we're gonna use the Alyssa Edwards and then this one. I'm not gonna say it because my mom made fun of me of how I said it. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and take headliner. It's the white shade, and we're just taking Real Techniques brush, and we're just gonna put it all over our lid as a transition shade. We're gonna take Unicorn Tribe, which is this pretty purple. This one right here, and we're just gonna put it in our outer V and blend it into our crease. So like right here. So this is our outer V. Okay, so now that we got that, we got our little thing going on. I have no idea what we're doing. Let's see. I'm trying. Okay, let's take HOE, which you may think stands for Ho, but it stands for the House of Edwards. So we're gonna take HOE, and we're just gonna pop it underneath the purple. So like somewhat on our lid, someone, but we're gonna blend it into the crease. Oh, also I'm taking a Morphe brush 506. So I took a little bit of the Supreme and I just popped it in the middle and I kind of blended it out so my eyes could look a little more bright. Now I'm gonna take a more scattered out brush. It's the Morphe brush M505, and I'm taking headliner, the white shade, and I'm just going to help and blend the outer edges. The Yacht and then Inspire. Yacht is from the other palette. It's more of a not a bronze, like a dirty gold, like a more dirty gold, and then Inspire is like a gold. So this is Inspire, and then this is Inspire, this is Yacht. So let's see. Okay, we'll use both. So we'll put Inspire more in the inner, and then we could scatter Yacht out. You will see it in just a minute. Hold on. So there is Inspire. And we're just going to try and blend it, but scatter it out. And then we will do a wing. So that's it. I only use one shade. You don't even have to use that. I thought it would just look more interesting, but I can't do eyeliner for my life, so I'm gonna put on tape, put on eyeliner, and then I will come back with you, and yeah, and then we'll just do my base. Okay, so I forgot about my lower lash line, so I'm gonna take Unicorn Tribe, and that's all I'm gonna do, and I'm just gonna place it right under there, and that is basically all that I'm gonna do for my lower lash line. I'm not gonna, yeah. Oh my god, okay. I couldn't find my lashes for a second. I had took them off and I was like, are you serious? Like, this can't happen. They're on my sleeve, like back here, they're like that. I had a heart attack. I will see y'all in a while. In a bit. Well, for me it's a while. For y'all it's like boom, 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 boom. Okay. Bye.
You made it.
We made it.
We're in California.
When you go crazy, you take all my inhibitions. Baby, there's nothing holding me back. You can take my places that tear up my reputation. I do not approve this message. Baby, there's nothing holding me back. You take me places that tear up my reputation. I am back from Skateland. I'm very tired. I am very tired. I had fun. I'm very exhausted right now, if you can't tell. So what my plan is to take off my makeup and just chat with you, and eyelashes. My dog is licking my toes, and that's nice, right? Okay. So we're just gonna gently. I am back. I am back. If you're wondering why my hair is like this and it looks wet or greasy, I had put a hair mask. It's a coconut hair mask. It's for dry and damaged hair. It helps tame frizz and unroll hair, intensely moisturizes, add lustrous shine, safe for color treated hair, which means like if your hair is dyed, it's fine. There's no damage to it. I also put lotion on my feet, and like I put my little slippers. They're little hedgehogs. And like they're like a size or two sizes too small, because they're like tight, but like I don't like when you put lotion on your feet and then you walk around and then you have like dirt sticking to you, and I'm like, sis, that ain't right. That is disgusting. No! Make sure to like this video if you enjoyed it. Comment whatever you feel like commenting, but be nice. I'm joking. And subscribe for more future content, because I do plan on doing more collabs, and I do want y'all to meet my best friend. He is a mess. I love him to death. I think y'all would like him. Yeah. Okay. Bye guys. Have a great day.